All right, next up is Gangplank Falls, which is a family raft. I've never been on this one, so let's see how it goes.
Welcome to Fat Tested Travel. This is Jason Vaughn. I fat test rides all over the world, and I'm currently 345 pounds with a 52-inch waist, and I'm 5'8". Gangplank Falls is the longest of the 3 falls here at Typhoon Lagoon in Walt Disney World. This family raft is 300-foot long course, winding around palm trees and under wooden bridges. There's no weight limit on this ride, but I will say it's nice to have someone else carry it up.
Well, that's going to be a voiceover. Oh, that's it?
It was a very nice and gentle ride, though we'll say getting out of it is not that easy.
See more, make sure to check out the playlist and the full walkthrough.